What is up, everybody? I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm here with another speed edit today. I did this photo shoot with the a7c and I forgot the camera on JPEG and I overexposed the shot, so recovering the highlights and the color from a JPEG file is sometimes a bit tricky. So I had a good amount of luck with this one, recovering a lot of the details and the colors, and then in the blown out highlighted areas, all I did was color it a bit orange, so you can see it's almost like I'm putting back color into the highlights. And this is just a speed edit on how I did it. The video is going to be playing back at about double speed, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want me to slow this down and do a breakdown of a certain piece of this video, or if you want me to talk over a whole video and just leave it full speed, please let me know in the comments below. We're only on our third video now, but I want to be able to teach you guys some stuff. But right now the channel's very small and I don't want to put too much time into talking through a video if no one's going to be around to listen to it and learn from it. So please do me a favor, share this video on the editing sites, share it with your friends and family, and yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'd love to do more of these. If you have a specific problem or a photo you want me to work on, I'll gladly edit your photo on the video. But yeah, otherwise join me on Instagram, like, subscribe, click the bell, and yeah, see you guys soon. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Here you can see side by side what the edit looked like before and after. If you haven't yet, go to my Instagram. It's really cool out there. I've got a few Instagrams, but the main one shows you the behind the scenes and all stuff I do to get the shot that I do. And yeah, there's also a vlog channel and a sound effect channel where you can get some free sound effects for your videos. So please go check out all the links below. If you want to buy any of the gear I use for these photos, there's links down below, and all supports the channel. So I really appreciate you guys, all the people who have subscribed already. Thanks so much. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.